What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. In today's video we're gonna test fit some LEDs for the turn signals that doesn't hyper flash, and the brand is Last Fit. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today we have new LEDs for the turn signals. On my car I already have LEDs on all the turn signals, brake lights, everything. So in this one I don't have LEDs on the turn signal. So today we're going to install some LEDs, and this one won't hyper flash. Okay, this is amazing. But let's test them and see if they hyper flash, because some people are saying after a couple of seconds they will hyper flash, and if you put in the front LEDs and the rear LEDs they will hyper flash. So today we're gonna test all that and see if they will hyper flash. Okay, so let's open the box, the envelope, because they came in an envelope. Let's open it and let's see how good they are. Okay. So I have two sets. Let me tell you the difference, okay? These are 7440. This one will turn on when the turn signal is on, okay? And these are 7443. You can see it there. This will turn on when the turn signal is on, and also with the running lights, okay? I think for my Honda Pilot they don't have that, but if your car has a running light and turn signal at the same time, this will work for you. Okay, if not, you can get two sets of this. So now let's open it and test it on the Honda Pilot. Okay, the way to know which one is 7440 or 7443 is the 7440. It has only one wire on each side, one, and the 7443 has two wires on each side, 2 and 2. Okay. And before you put it back, test it. If it doesn't work, flip this. Then flip this like this. Wow. Then test it again. Yes. Alright guys, so you can see the difference. It's a lot. Look at this one, man, it's amazing. And this one, it's alright. This one is fine, but this one is awesome. Wow. Now let's see if it hyper flash, okay, on that one. All right, no hyper flashing. As you can see, that one is only on, and this one is off. So first test, no hyper flashing. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put only one in the rear side, okay, and rear and turn signal. Okay, to replace this, to add the new LEDs for the turn signal, it has two screws, one here, another one here, and after you remove these two, you have to pull, but don't pull too hard because it has the wires. Okay, so now let's replace that. Okay, now we have this. You have to pull a little bit, and it's the one on the bottom, this one, not this one, this. Just turn like this, get the bulb, put it right there, put this. Before you put it back, test it. Yes. So now let's test if this will hyper flash. Okay, let's test only one side. Okay, the way you have to know is by, let me turn this off. Oh, I have to turn on. Okay, it's on. It's only one side for the turn signal. You can see there. As you can see, this is off, and there. Oh, so now this one is hyper flashing. Oh man. Okay, if you put the front and the rears, it will hyper flash. It's now hyper flashing. So yes, if you put in the front and in the rear, it will hyper flash. So now I have to decide which one I want to leave, the fronts or the rears. Okay, now you can see at night this one is very bright. And this one is alright, but I like that one better. Okay, you can see the difference of this one to this one. This is the original bulb, this is the LED bulb. Okay guys, these are the last fit LED. They are great. They are super bright, brighter than the OEM bulbs, okay? And they won't hyper flash, but only if you get one pair. You can put it on the front or the rear. But if you get two pairs, one for the front and one for the rear, they will hyper flash. If you do that, you will have to get resistors for one of the sets, okay? If you get 4 bulbs, 2 pairs, okay? But if you only want one set for the front or the rear, one pair, they will not hyper flash. I would recommend you only get one pair. If you don't want to deal with a resistor, connecting the resistor and all that, it's a little bit hard to do that. So that's my recommendation. Get only one pair. Okay, but if you wanna get both, get the resistors for the other set. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. The link is gonna be on the description below if you wanna get these LEDs. They are great, they are super bright, and if you only get one set, no hyper flashing. But if you get 2 sets, one for the front and one for the rear, they will hyper flash. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments below. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.